After revoking Article 370 and 35A by Indian legislature in the Parliament, Government of India promoting Jammu and Kashmir along with Ladakh to the world to make it an investment destination. In that effort, some countries showed their interest to invest in Jammu and Kashmir. Among those countries, those who showed their interest were United Arab Emirates, Dubai, and Israel. Now, the Dubai's Emaar Group to develop 5 lakh square feet shopping mall in Srinagar. Dubai also planning to invest billions of dollars in other projects like industrial park, medical college, super facility, hospital, and logistics center. Now the question is how it will going to change the Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and the Kashmir was kind of a state in which investment was too difficult because of Article 370 and Article 35A. And because of this legislative constraint, the people from the state felt isolated and they were deprived of getting job. They were lured and the forced to work in the jobs which were not sufficient to run a family and the associated people with the family and the India's neighboring countries illegal influence were too much. After legally revoking these articles from constitution by Indian Parliament, now the state is open to all from any kind of investment from anywhere of the world. When the investment will come, then new jobs will be created, flow of the money will be easier, different kind of job opportunities will be facilitated. So many skilled and the unskilled worker will have their chance to earn some handsome money. After completions of this project, so many permanent jobs will be created because of different kind of job facilities, different kind of educational institutions will be open. In the addition to this will draw more tourists from anywhere of the world. If the tourist inflow will increase, then the state's GDP will increase and the foreign tourist would increase the forex reserve and the forex flow within the country. Investment always good for the state because it checks the human resources outflow of the state to the other countries or the other states. Also, investment always encourage the government to invest more in the infrastructure and the more creations of the jobs will be created by the government of India and the government of the states. And this will how the investment will going to change the economy of Jammu and the Kashmir for its good reason for the people of Jammu and the Kashmir, for the people those who are living in and around the city, in and around the city of the Srinagar and the other places. Let's know little about the Emaar Group. The Emaar is a real estate development company located in the United Arab Emirates. It is one of the biggest real estate company with valuations of 15.5 billion US dollar. They invest across the world that includes India. They are responsible for so many iconic projects in Dubai and around the world. The Burj Khalifa, the world tallest building in the world, has developed by them. They also built the world's second largest shopping mall by area, the Dubai Mall. Emaar has also begun to develop the 55-story residential building called the Downtown Views in Dubai. The world's largest Dubai fountain is also their work, which is twice as large of the football field. 2010, the New Delhi's Commonwealth Games village was also built by them. But the corruption was very random in this game. That is a different issue. They also working in the some housing projects all across the India, and they are also planning to build something which is bigger than the Burj Khalifa. Now let's know little about the Kashmir project. According to the Yemer statement, a memorandum of understanding has been signed between the government of Dubai and Jammu and the Kashmir to facilitate the investment into this proposed project. This will be the first significant FDI foreign direct investment into the Union territory. According to the MOU, the MR will develop the MR Mall of 5 lakh square feet in size in Srinagar. Last month, Jammu and the Kashmir government opened the Union territory to the country's real estate investor by signing 39 MOUs worth nearly 19,000 crore. at the real estate held in the Jammu. In 2005, Emaar Properties entered the Indian real estate market in partnership with India's MGF Group and investment 8,500 crore through the joint venture Emaar MGF Land. However, in April 2016, it decided to end this joint venture. The Emaar also have 6,000-acre land bank throughout India. In my opinion, revoking Article 370 and 35A was an watershed moment for the country and for the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It opened the door of the world's heaven to the investors to make this heaven more and more beautiful. The Emers investment is just a baby step to the massive development projects across the region. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening.